Good morning to everybody. Welcome to this webinar session to introduce you a new FJDynamics achievement. FJDynamics, thanks to its experience in surveying, construction, measurement, has been able to launch a new tool for better measurement. It's our new laser scanner, Trion S1 handheld laser scanner. So please start the presentation. So the title of this presentation is A New Way to Scan the World. That's the main goal of our new handheld laser scanner, Trion S1. So few words to introduce the speaker. Myself, Nicola Scotto, Italian citizen, with over 12 years experience in LiDAR industry, dealing with stakeholders in South America, in Europe and Africa. And I've joined FJDynamics last month to enhance our presence into the LiDAR industry. I give the word to William to introduce himself.
Okay, thank you, Nicola. So my name is Ilham Pramanda, and I've been in this industry for almost 8 years. Before I joined FJDynamics, I was working in Leica Geosystems Indonesia, especially in the reality capture divisions. And then my role here in the webinar will be in the Q&A sessions. So don't forget to leave your questions on the comment box, and I will answer to all of those questions if the time allows. So that's my brief introductions. I will give it back to Nicola. Thank you.
Thank you, William, for introducing yourself. Here you see the agenda of this presentation. So we will start introducing you about FJDynamics and what our company does. Then afterwards, we are gonna give a brief overview of the trends in LiDAR industry. Afterwards, we are gonna have a look, have a focus on our laser scanner, the Trion S1. Then we are going to see also specific application case where Trion S1 has been used successfully. And finally, we will have an open question session where we are going to summarize all the content mentioned during this presentation, and my colleague Iliam is going to answer the question that you are going to leave in the chat during the presentation. So first part is about FJDynamics. Born 5 years ago, is a robotic company specialized in automation, digitalization, and new energy. Okay, so our company has 4 activity domains. The first one is precision agriculture, where we propose to market auto steering kit for tractor and land leveling system. The second domain is geospatial, where we propose to market our RTK rover system, our aerial mapping solution, an oblique camera, and also the laser scanner, the Trion S1 that we are gonna see during this presentation. The third domain is digital construction, mainly 2D and 3D guidance system for excavator and pile driver. And the fourth domain is the electrical, where we propose portable power station and the new electrical and autonomous lawn mower to cut the grass, which is gaining a lot of traction in the commercial gardening market. Okay, so related to the geospatial domain, definitely FJDynamics launch product like RTK rover, like our aerial mapping solution and the laser scanner, let's say based on 4 main strengths: the accuracy, the efficiency, the flexibility, and the safety and stability of the product. FJDynamics has a global footprint, so we have seat in mainland China, in Singapore, Hong Kong, in Europe, mainly in Germany and Sweden, but also in North America and South America. And here it deserves to highlight the fact that the 70% of our staff is dedicated to R&D. So FJDynamics has a strong commitment to ensure a seamless development of all our products before mentioned. Okay, after introducing you FJDynamics and let's say the portfolio, the product portfolio, the second part refer to the status of LiDAR industry and see what are the main trends currently. So in this slide, there are two main takeaways. The first one is the fact that in the period from 2020 to 2025, the LiDAR industry has seen a growth rate per year of 15%. And the second takeaway, proceeding from a recent market survey, show us that the LiDAR market in the period between 2022 and 2032 will have a growth of almost 8% per year. So basically, it will end up having a market value of almost 3.4 billion US dollars, so doubling the current market value. And this strong growth is driven by a growing demand proceeding from utility, infrastructure, forestry, and security and surveillance. So definitely this slide shows us that the future of LiDAR market is definitely bright. Okay, in the LiDAR industry, there is a domain named terrestrial laser scanner. Within this domain, we have two product segments. The first is the static laser scanner, known as TLS, terrestrial laser scanner. And the second product segment is handheld laser scanner. The handheld laser scanner is gaining a lot of traction into the market thanks to its portability, easy to be used on the ground, the possibility of real-time data visualization, and finally, a greater collection efficiency than static laser scanner, so making him suitable for addressing a wider range of application. Okay, now we are going to step into the third part of this webinar, referring to our 3D laser scanner, the Trion S1. Okay, the main strength of our Trion S1, as you can see on this slide, are for sure the point density. So we have 320,000 points per second. The ability of achieving an accuracy in the range of 0.8 and 2 centimeter. The range 120 meter definitely is a cutting edge range for an handheld laser scanner. And moreover, you have the chance of visualizing the point cloud on real time, and the system can be used proficiently both indoor and outdoor. Here you are going to see a video showing how it works. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you have seen how portable and easy to be used is our system, really tailored for addressing different type of application. Actually, you see, our laser scanner right now can be used as an handheld laser scanner, but since 2023, it can be mounted on a drone and also it can be mounted on a car or whatever other type of vehicle. So our scanner really is portable, modular, it can really address a wide range of application because it can be mounted on different type of platforms. So definitely the growth path of our product is really is really interesting. Okay, of course, attached to the hardware, you also find software suite, in particular the Trion Scan, which is a software for data acquisition. Okay, and then you see also the Trion Meta Hub, which is our software for post processing the point cloud. Yeah, the Trion Scan is our software for visualizing the point cloud in real time, to track the path in real time and to manage and download the project file during the project. On the other hand, we have also Trion Meta Hub, which is our point cloud post-processing software, which enable, first of all, to colorize the point cloud with imagery, to introduce coordinates and classify the point cloud. Thanks to MetaHub, you can extract out of the point cloud the classical topographic output like area measurement, volume measurement, angle measurement. So it's really a cutting edge software attached to our hardware solution. Thanks to the design of our laser scanner, you can address different type of application like beam, of course, application in mining like stockpile and surveying mining tunnel. You can address forestry application, and of course, you can digitalize, thanks to Trion S1, you can digitalize whatever type of facility, like a manufactured plant, a warehouse, a silos. The system can work both indoor and outdoor without the need of GPS sign-up. Now, the fourth part of this presentation focus on concrete and actual application case where Trion S1 has been used successfully. Okay, the first application case definitely is BIM. Most of you know that BIM stand for Building Information Modeling, is more and more used to visualize project and to support architecture activity. And of course, to be successful in BIM, you need to feed the BIM with the 3D dataset that must be acquired quickly and accurately. And definitely the Trion S1, thanks to its hardware and software suite, is the right tool to spur the BIM activity. Next slide, please. Here a video showing how it works. You end up using the default one. Yes, I'm sure that this video give you a clear idea about the potential that you can achieve using Trion S1 within your BIM activity. So definitely engineering company, architecture company, by having a laser like Trion S1 can definitely enhance significantly its BIM activity. Now let's jump to another type of application, the use of Trion S1 for forestry. Here we have a case we did with a prestigious engineering company in Asia named Arup, thanks to which we surveyed 12,000 square meter in a park, and it took only 18 minutes. Let's start the video and we show as to show you how we did it. The system performed well even in a climbing area. It deserves to remark its capacity to get multiple objects. Yeah, you see, so definitely this was a complicated project, and because you are in a park area with a great slope, and at the end of the day, you see how well performed the Trion S1 in terms of accuracy and its capacity to collect data even in a in a narrow place. Okay, for forestry, beside the use of handheld laser scanner, there is also another interesting application which will come in 2023, is about the use of our laser scanner mounted on a UAV, like a DJI M300. So in that way, clearly, by a quick deployment of our laser scanner on the ground or mounted on a drone, a forestry company can get quickly and efficiently a wide range of data set as to support its monitoring activity and also its capacity to monitor its inventory. So definitely for forestry application, there is a strong case in favor of Trion S1. Another important application definitely is the use of Trion S1 for mining. The first application is about the use of our laser scanner in a tunnel in an underground mine. And actually, as you can see on the slide, the use of Trion S1, it makes the survey 8 times more efficient in a tunnel rather than using traditional equipment. So definitely this represents a strong incentive for mining company to use a system like our one. And moreover, not only for underground mine, but the Trion S1 can be used for doing stockpile. Actually, the laser scanner deliver more accuracy on stockpile because it's more accurate than, for example, a photogrammetric drone, because you have more accuracy on vertical, on Z. So at the end of the day, you can calculate the volume quickly and in a more accurate way than using the classical photogrammetric drone. So this is another strong case of in favor of Trion S1 for mining. On top of that, our user itself post on social media interesting case about the use of Trion S1 in its environment. For example, our South African dealer post interesting video about the use of Trion S1 in different scenario in South Africa. Then we have an interesting video about the use of Trion S1 in a important square, Place Vendôme in Paris. And moreover, you see also how the Trion S1 has been used in Hong Kong for planning by the planning department for a building. And finally, also how the system performed well to scan an underground garage. So that proved really the fact that the technology can be used for a wide range of application and be successful and efficient in its way of operation. So we hope that this presentation draw your attention to be our client or even to become our dealer. If you want to get further information about our company, about our product portfolio, of course, you can search on our website, www.FJD info@fjdynamics.com. Here you see also our email address. So we hope that this presentation would lead you to get more info and to have more interest about our not only our laser scanner but also about FJ Dynamic as well. Okay, now we are at the last part of this presentation where we are going to summarize a bit all the content that we give during this presentation by answering questions. Okay, the first question is how did you get the inspiration for S1? So by having the answer would be that by having a strong knowledge in construction, okay, we see the need to more modeling digitalize of the object, and so that's why we come up with a system with high accuracy, portable, and affordable price. So we really see a demand, and we strongly believe that our system fill this demand. Next slide, please. Okay, the second question is very interesting and is about what is your vision for this industry? So our vision, I would say that uh, we create this product to be simple and versatile. And being simple and versatile, we want to open up the use of laser scanner to a wider range of stakeholders. So we do not want only address the classical surveying application, but we want to let more stakeholders placed in different domain able to be used this system and become familiar with a laser scanner technology because it's needful to increase more and more the digitalization. Okay, here you can scan the QR code to join the FJ Trion group. And now I leave the word to my colleague Iliam to answer some questions raised by the attendants, the attendee.
Okay, thank you, Nicola. So we are moving forward to the Q&A sessions. Maybe I will try to pick one question first. So the first question is coming from Eva. What is the cost? So about the cost, you can send us a direct code on our website, or you can send us an email, or it as making a call, or simply by leave us a message in our social media accounts. So we will have our area sales manager to contact you very soon. Okay, that's the first question. I will moving to the second questions from Milozan. How far away the scanner currently capture the point cloud? Okay, the range of the scanner is up to 120 meters because the built-in LiDAR 3D scanning technology. So you can capture precise long-range 3D measurements of complex objects and shapes. Okay, maybe that's the second one. I will be moving to the third questions from Rafael. If there is a UAV integrations, how many returns can be detected for forest applications? Okay, for the forest application, it depends on the how big or how wide is the area. So we can plan our scanning missions before we start to capture the project. Okay, I see a lot of questions are coming in. Maybe the last one. How to charge the post-processing software? Okay, the post-processing software that we have, the Trion Meta Hub, actually is free of charge for the basic version. By saying that, actually, you can also join our FJD Trion Facebook group to follow up with the latest updates about the Trion Meta Hub. So don't forget to scan the QR code. Okay, maybe that's all the questions I can answer because we have a very limited time. But don't be worried, I will be back again to you with the answers. And then that's all maybe for the Q&A sessions, Nicola. I will give it back again to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Iliam, for your accurate answer to this really interesting question. Of course, if you need to raise more question, please contact us on our social media, on our website. Please scan the QR code to join the FJ Trion group. So we are at the end of this session. We want to thank you everybody for attending this session, this webinar session, for introducing you about Trion S1. We really believe that Trion S1 is going to become a benchmark in the industry. So again, we thank you so much for your attention, and we wish you a nice day. Goodbye.